7 Best USB Bootable Linux Distros. Ever wondered how to carry Linux in your pocket? With these USB bootable Linux distros, you can. Here are 7 fantastic options to try out. Number 1. Slax Linux. If portability is what you're after, Slax Linux is an excellent choice. This Debian-based distro runs smoothly from a USB drive and takes up less than 270 megabytes. It's lightweight, works well on older computers, and comes with a sleek interface and useful pre-installed apps. Plus, with the Persistent Changes feature, you can save your work directly to the USB drive, keeping everything ready for your next session. Number 2. Peppermint OS. Looking for something lightweight yet powerful? Peppermint OS is perfect. Built using core components from Linux Mint but with a lightweight XFCE desktop environment, it's great for USB use. Its standout feature, ICE, lets you turn web apps like Netflix or YouTube into desktop apps, making your experience seamless. Number 3. MX Linux. Known for its stability and speed, MX Linux is another excellent Debian-based distro. It's light on resources, needing just 512 megabytes of RAM, and comes packed with user-friendly tools and apps like LibreOffice and VLC. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned Linux user, MX Linux offers a stable and customizable experience right from your USB. Number 4. Puppy Linux. Puppy Linux is a unique option because it's not just one distro. It's a collection. You can customize it to your liking or use a pre-built version. With its minimal requirements, as low as 128 megabytes RAM, and small size, under 400 megabytes, Puppy Linux is ideal for older hardware. Plus, it allows you to save your customizations securely on your USB for future sessions. Number 5. Kali Linux. Designed for professionals, Kali Linux focuses on penetration testing and digital security. With hundreds of tools for tasks like vulnerability analysis and Wi-Fi security audits, it's a powerhouse for security enthusiasts. While it's not as beginner-friendly, it's still a great distro if you need advanced security tools. Just keep in mind, you'll need around 2 gigabytes of RAM for optimal performance. Number 6. Porteus Linux. Porteus is all about portability and speed. This lightweight distro offers 8 desktop environments, including XFCE and Cinnamon, with the largest ISO coming in at just over 400 megabytes. Its modular design makes adding or removing apps as easy as double-clicking a file, perfect for keeping your USB drive clutter-free. Number 7. Linux Lite. For those transitioning from Windows, Linux Lite is a fantastic choice. It's based on Ubuntu LTS and comes with popular apps like VLC, LibreOffice, and Firefox pre-installed. It's not the smallest distro on this list, but requires just 768 megabytes of RAM, making it a solid option for modern PCs. Why use USB bootable Linux distros? USB bootable Linux distros let you try out different operating systems without making any changes to your current setup. It's a hassle-free way to explore, experiment, and find the perfect Linux distro for your needs. Which one are you excited to try? Let us know in the comments.